A chip designed in Chennai, built on a 28 nanometer process, clocked at 700 megahertz. MindGrove Technologies came out of IIT Madras, built on the open source RISC-V architecture. And this week, they have a product, the Secure IoT, India's first high-performance microcontroller. The people, of course, said India only writes software. Oh well, having a difficult week. The security is not an add-on. MindGrove has built crypto accelerators before and secure boot directly into the silicon. The smart devices around you, well, locks, watches, meters, run on chips that treat security as an afterthought. MindGrove's argument is that the afterthought is actually the problem. If the vulnerability is in the hardware, a software patch does not reach it. The pricing, of course, also matters as much as the technology. MindGrove is claiming a 30% cost reduction against comparable chips. That gap is actually the difference between silicon that reaches smart meters and EV battery management systems across India. And of course, silicon that reaches a product catalog and stops there. They are targeting the middle of the market, and that too deliberately. High performance at a price point that makes it useful rather than exclusive. Pinetics is already signed. A vision SoC is in the pipeline aimed at dashcams and CCTV systems. The commercial ambition is not so subtle. The constraint, of course, is equally, well, quite obvious. The design happens in Chennai. The manufacturing still goes overseas. India has the engineering, mind you. The foundries are unfortunately not here yet. And here, of course, is the front page take. The design-linked incentive scheme is the government's mechanism for closing that very gap, backing Indian chip design with real money. MindGrove is one of the companies that committed to it quite early. Whether Indian silicon can challenge Chinese imports at scale, well, is a question that takes years and factories to answer properly. The chip exists, the design is Indian, that part at least is no longer a claim. Please do let us know what are your thoughts in the comments below. This, ladies and gentlemen, is Front Page by the AIM Network. Like, share, subscribe, and always remember, think AI, think AIM.